Good evening. This thing over here is the Umarex HDP 50 turned into a magazine-fed paintball marker. Originally it's a 50 caliber, but now it's converted to a 68 bore size. It uses TiPX magazines and A5 barrels. Currently there's an air buttstock installed, but it could be run in any way basically. CO2 in the handle or through the rear, however you wish. There's this very fine looking red button above the trigger, and you'll find more about that in a second. It seems like I did not record the first take, so here is take 2. 3 gram rubber balls, 650 psi regulator in the tank. Now the tank is not full anymore, there's only about 1500 psi left, but I'm sure we can get this one magazine out of this. Let's see. Nice grouping. Alright, one more test before I need to start pumping the tanks by hand. So, 800 psi, a 10 CI tank will not be capable to fire several of these magazines, maybe one or two, I don't know. We'll see. Oh yeah, I left an empty capsule in the handle. That might help. Let's see. Let's try this one. The ugly one. Oh no. Disappointing. There's no recoil. Ah, screw this. Oh no! There was 2 more left. Okay. Okay, I'm not about to pump the tank yet, so let's move on. 3 12 gram capsules, 1 in the handle, 2 in the buttstock. I'm not sure if they're all punctured in the buttstock or they're both punctured, but whatever, let's see what happens. Uh-oh. Should be on single shot. Yes. Wow. I think we're empty and out of gas also. Yeah. Seems to work. Alright, one more test with the 12 gram CO2 in the handle and a stock restrictor disc in there. Full auto, let's see how fast it can empty the magazine. Pointless, but I guess it's fun. Flying all over. Yeah.